Are you preparing for a Java developer interview? In this video, we will provide answers to the top 10 Java core interview questions. Let's start with the first question. What is the difference between JDK and JRE? The JDK contains tools for developing Java applications, while the JRE is used to run Java applications. Moving on to the second question. What is the difference between an abstract class and an interface? An abstract class can have both abstract and non-abstract methods, while an interface can only have abstract methods. Let's move on to the third question. What is the difference between final, finally, and finalize? The final keyword is used to declare a constant, the finally block is used to execute code regardless of exceptions, and the finalize method is called by the garbage collector before an object is destroyed. Now, let's answer the fourth question. What is the difference between checked and unchecked exceptions? Checked exceptions are checked at compile time, while unchecked exceptions are not checked at compile time. Moving on to the fifth question. What is the difference between method overloading and method overriding? Method overloading is having multiple methods with the same name but different parameters, while method overriding is providing a different implementation of a method in a subclass. Let's move on to the sixth question. What is the difference between string, string builder, and string buffer? A string is immutable, meaning it cannot be changed after it is created. String builder and string buffer are mutable and can be modified. Now, let's answer the seventh question. What is the difference between a class and an object? A class is a blueprint for creating objects, while an object is an instance of a class. Moving on to the eighth question. What is the difference between static and non-static methods? Static methods belong to the class itself and can be called without creating an instance of the class, while non-static methods require an instance of the class to be called. Now, let's answer the ninth question. What is the difference between stack and heap memory? Stack memory is used for storing method calls and local variables, while heap memory is used for storing objects and dynamically allocated memory. Finally, let's answer the 10th question. What is the difference between a constructor and a method? A constructor is used to initialize an object and is called automatically when an object is created, while a method is used to perform a specific action and needs to be called explicitly.